contractors. And recently meaning the past 6 months, we've gotten a handful of calls about a broker trying to enforce the non-compete clause in an independent contractor agreement once the licensee terminates their association with the brokerage. So the independent contractor agreement states that upon termination, Anthony Gatto will not work as a real estate licensee for a period of 12 months. Okay, that's what the non-compete clause, that's a simple version of non-compete clause. So, as I gave the example. The courts have repeatedly held a restrictive covenant not to compete to be a significant factor of control, right? Independent contractors, there's no control, right? That's why they're independent contractors. I give you citations to the cases where they cite that. In the cases, they say the evidence establishes that the employer exercised or reserved the right to exercise sufficient supervision, direction, or control over the claimant to hold an employment relationship. The incident agreement provides for non-compete and non-solicitation prohibitions and other indicia of control. Non-compete agreements may be contrary to an independent contractor pursuant to Labor Law Section 511.19 as well as Workers' Compensation Law Section 2. As an association, we fought long and hard to get these put into law to protect our independent contractor status that we treasure and cherish. However, non-compete agreements may be contrary because essentially you say you can do outside employment, but then this prohibits you from doing outside employment. It kind of doesn't make sense, does it? If I can't work anywhere else, how can you tell me I can't? Right? If I can work somewhere else, you can't tell me that I can. It's a double negative, but you understand what I'm saying. Non-compete clauses traditionally in business are used to protect trade secrets or client lists. Non-compete clauses should not be used as a punitive measure. Many people include those to punish the people who leave, not to give their own interests. New York State as a whole frowns upon non-compete clauses. Many of the court cases subject them to strict scrutiny.